There is a growing multi-million-dollar business in this country today, studying auto accidents. Each year, thousands of lives are lost. Millions of dollars in damages are caused by traffic accidents. It's up to the men and women in this growing field to ask the tough question. When can an accident be avoided? When does a millisecond save a life? And when is close too close? Crash test dummies volunteer their lives so that we may learn about hazards on the road. Our hats go off to the accident researchers who study the nature of human error and the wreckage it can cause on the highway. Their job is to make the road safer for all of us.